Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to create a Gumroad account. So the first step is to simply go to gumroad.com, and then you're going to have to simply click on start selling, and then here, as you can see, you're going to have the option to create your account. So if you want, you can use your Facebook, Google, Twitter or Stripe account to create your account, or if you want, you can simply use your email address. And I'm gonna use this email address here, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is to simply create your password and then simply click on create account, and then basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, now I have my account here. Now you're gonna receive a verification email on from Gumroad, and then basically after you verify your account, you can start selling your digital products or any other types of products. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.